Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing footage in VN so grading works predictably. Import your clips, pick matching resolution and frame rate, then place them on the timeline. Once done, trim rough edits and rename tracks for speed. Make sure to set each clip's color profile to neutral or log. This preserves detail and gives you headroom. Also, disable heavy LUTs or autofixes before grading. Otherwise, you're grading compression artifacts instead of true color information. You now perform primary corrections to calibrate footage. Begin with exposure, lift shadows, adjust gamma for midtones, and raise gain for highlights to preserve detail. Next, balance white using temp and tint so skin tones and neutrals read correctly. This aligns all clips. Then set overall contrast and saturation with subtle moves. +5 to +15% often works. Make sure to check waveform and histogram to avoid clipping. If you see clipping, pull highlights down and reopen shadows a touch. You finish by crafting the creative look and prepping export. First, apply a LUT or push color wheels to dial mood. Use overlay opacity between 30 and 70% so the grade feels natural. Once done, add masks or gradient tools for skies, faces, or foregrounds. Feather edges to avoid hard lines. Before exporting, make final checks. Toggle before / after. Inspect on a phone and calibrated monitor. Then export with matching color space and bitrate. If colors shift, check profile mismatch in export settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.